friends, welcome back to my channel Food Mood with Zoe. Okay, so today we are going to make fruit trifle. It's gonna be very cold, ice creamy and fruity. Name is fruit trifle. Okay, for this we need around half liter of whole milk. So you can use buffalo milk. Add around 2 to 3 spoons of custard powder of your choice. It can be strawberry, pineapple, vanilla, any of your choice. Add 3 to 4 spoons of sugar and just mix it. After 5 to 10 minutes on low flame, you will get a creamy texture like this. Okay, so our custard is ready to get into the fridge for 4-5 hours. Bye-bye. After 4-5 hours, wow, it's so chilled out. So these are my fruits. Okay, so pomegranate is must. Okay, now we'll start layering for the fruit trifle. So the first layer will be of fruit cake. So I've taken vanilla tutti frutti cake. You can take any cake of your choice. Pour some juice in it. This is orange juice. You can use apple, strawberry, any juice of your choice. It will give a moisture to the cake. Now we will make layers of lots of fruits: banana, grapes, mango, apple. Wow, let's make this layering in a glass. Okay, so cake is done, fruits are done. Now we pour some very cold custard in it. Okay, this is the custard that we have kept in the fridge. It's very cold and yummy and tasty. Oh wow, this is a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It's like cherry on the top. It's our favorite. Now I'm gonna add some colors to the fruit trifle. So pomegranate and some tutti frutti. Wow, look at the colors. Oh my god, you'll have a bite full of ice cream and custard and fruits and tutti frutti. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Just have a look the face of my son. Yummy mama, yummy and tummy. Just have a look. Wow, so try out this recipe and please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.